Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back.
Okay, so welcome to the channel with no catchphrase. Now, I recently did a review of the INNOV K7, so we've got the camera here. Let's give it a bit of a clean. And at the back here, remote control. Obviously, we will look and see how that mounts. Used ignition. So basically, when you turn it on here and put that under there, like there we go. And I realised during my review, that's gone down pretty well actually, that I didn't test, or I didn't really give an example of the differences between the 1080 with the image stabilisation and the 2K footage, which I think I should have done. I've been doing everything on 2K, which has been great. So what I thought I'd do now is just to kind of follow up on the video, descriptions above and below, while I'm out obviously on Bumbleblade, is just do that. So I'm going to kind of do a bit of a road with it on 2K, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do it exactly the same with the 1080 image stabilization. So what we need to do is go in and connect to the Wi-Fi first, just to check what we're on. So there we go, INNOV K7, join. Okay, so it says we are connected. We're going to go into the app. Okay, we're in. It didn't like it when I had the car puride on there. So we're currently on 1080 30 frames per second and the image stabilization, EIS. So what we're going to do is we're going to change that now to 2K. And we are on 2K. Okay. Okay, all works.
Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Don't push back. Conscience under
turn it off so it stops recording. Then I'm going to download it to my phone and then I'm going to go home. So off we go. Let's just see how long it records for. If you can see. Okay, about 30 seconds. So my final thoughts, and the truth is a little bit inconclusive. I was quite surprised that there wasn't a bigger difference between the 2K 30 frames per second and the 1080 30 frames per second with the EIS. I was also surprised to see that I believe the higher quality of the three settings was actually the 1080 60 frames per second. So, well, let me know what you think. Leave a message down in the comments below. And, well, at the end of the day, this is still a very, very, very good system. On either of those three settings, I think one of the best out there. So, yeah, let me know. And with that, thanks so much for coming along. Please like and subscribe. It ain't easy, is it? A lot of competition out there. A lot of really good channels. So your support would be most appreciated. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.